Hi, thanks for having me at GreenU. My name is Heather, and I work with the Douglas County Conservation District, and our mission is helping people help the land through education. I wanted to tell you about some programs we have for teachers first off, and then some programs we have for homeowners lastly. So Dig in My Doug program is for teachers. It's for free, and we have two right now. One is called Butterflies from Kathy Ocon. The other one is called The Soil Food Web, and that is from Jessica Goldstrom of the Bees Waggle. And both of those ladies will give you a better summary of what their programs look like today at GreenU. I hope you get to see those. Next up are our sustainability mini grants through Beth Church. Those fund bluebird projects, bluebird trails, pollinator gardens, sensory gardens, vegetable gardens, gardens of any flavor. Recycling and composting programs. If you have a conservation related program in your school, or you're a student and you have a eco group and you want to fund a project, get a hold of Beth and see if that's something we can support. We also have college scholarships. Those scholarships are $4,000 for 2 years to a Douglas County resident. It doesn't have to be a student straight out of school. It could be someone going back to school. So if you or know someone or you are someone who's going back to school for something related to conservation, please let us know, and we'll get you set up with the application process. That information is also on our website at douglasconserves.org. We also have an annual plant sale. This plant sale is our biggest fundraiser that funds the programs I talked about prior. This plant sale covers everything from seedling trees to perennials and ornamental grasses. Most of them are native or native adapted plants, so they do pretty well in our soils and in our environmental conditions here in Douglas County. Those plants come to you on April 20th at the fairgrounds, and it's no coincidence that Earth Day is April 22nd. So if you want to give penstemons to grandma or pine trees to your neighbor for some privacy, check out our website at douglasconserves.org for those plant sale items. We also have something called the Conservationist of the Year Award. This award, the last time we gave it to a school district, was for Fox Creek Elementary's Eco Action Team. They had done an outstanding job of just being great conservationists in their own right, and their student leadership was bar none. So if you have a school program that does some conservation work, or you're a teacher and you want to tout your program in your classroom, please contact me to see if we can get you hooked up with the Conservationist of the Year Award. Bragging rights do last forever, so that's pretty cool. What else have we got? We have volunteer opportunities. If you're interested in getting outside with your kids or your students or yourself and planting some trees with us, we have a stream restoration project where we're constantly planting new items in the ground. It involves digging an awesome hole, learning about how to handle that specific plant, and then nurturing that plant by watering later in life. So we have lots of opportunities to go do that. That is at Historic Lowell Ranch in Castle Rock. That's a private property, and so it's only open by appointment only, and so this is special access for you if you're interested in that. We can also host field trips to Lowell Ranch if you were interested in digging into some stream restoration or water ecology, stream engineering. Let me know if that interests you. And finally, we have grants for homeowners. We have fire mitigation grants, which is exactly what it sounds like. If you need a defensible space around your home, this grant is for you. If you have property that just has a lot of debris and dead branches and things that you need to remove some of that for fire mitigation, this grant is for you. We also have noxious weed mitigation grants. This covers chemical controls as well as biocontrols, and biocontrols are goats, because goats eat weeds, and beneficial insects that we order for you from the Colorado Department of Agriculture for particular weed species. So if any of those things interest you, please get a hold of me. My email address is heather@douglasconserves.org, and our website is douglasconserves.org. I hope you have a great day at GreenU. Thanks for having me.